Hi, you guys. Here, I just have hair and everything is ready for meet the teacher. And I'm gonna go ahead and plan out my first day of school. Everything is cleaned up. I am so excited. Hi, you guys. Welcome to classroom setup day 6, where we are getting everything ready for meet the teacher and also doing the final touches. So step 1 is getting my open house / meet the teacher little folders ready. And I put some of my felt right here. I think it's so cute. I can even fit the blue one down there. I don't know yet, but I think it's cute. And then mom's looking for the whole brain teaching. Here are the colors that I got for felt right. All right, I put a couple of my felt wall tiles up. So I got some up here. I think they're so cute. And then I put 2, you can kind of see behind my desk. I love that they double as a cork board. I'll link them down below for you guys to check them out. And now, so I have them all still right here. I don't know if I'll have enough room to put any other ones up, so we'll see. But I did get my bookshelves done, so I'll show you. So obviously ignore the tops because I'm just shoving things there for right now. But here is like reading group, my reading group bin. And then here is like a craft that we're doing the first day. So I figured I could either put crafts there or whatever. Here's like all of our tests, and then down here is all spelling center stuff. So I need to keep filling those up with those, so it's all in one place. This is obviously a hot mess right now. And then over here, I got this all kind of started to get organized. So I'm gonna put those whiteboards up because those are extra. And then these are like their morning menus. Here is whiteboards, and then up here is kind of like my area. So I have like my pointer. Last year I had like my marble jar and stuff, but this year we're doing like that little thing. So, I mean, I could put these because we use these a lot. I could put these up here. I don't know yet. Actually, that's probably where I'll keep like our weekly crafts. So TBD on that, but that's all done and looks good. I need to like clean up this and that whole area, but it's looking good. I'm working on some of my catch-up folders. So that's great. And then we did get the open house stuff done. So in here, I just have my flip book, and I have like all of these things, contact info, our schedule, all of that. And then here's like their student information sheet. And then behind that is kind of like what I need. Oh wait, this one actually needs an extra one, but I have a little form that I'll show y'all. Here's like our class fridge little label, my meet the teacher. Here's like more about class dojo, student of the week info, and then their handle with care thing that I do. And then lastly is their class dojo login. I am going to go ahead and wipe down all their desks because I'm going to go ahead and put their name tags on there and then maybe start working on their caddies. Okay, yay. I made the QR code. It's printing out right now, and then I'll cut it out and stick it inside the folder. I just got some of the clear contact paper, and now I'm going to go ahead and stick down my name tags. I like cleaned the desks, so it looks so good. I'm still torn about caddies. I don't know if I want to do them or not, or like, I know I'm going to do them, but I don't know if I want to set them at their desk or if I want to like have them just on, I don't know, somewhere else and just have them grab it when they need it. Or I could just completely abandon the caddies. I don't know. I feel like they're cute and they're practical, but they can also be super messy. So that's why I'm torn. But I'm gonna go ahead and measure out these. Thankfully, I don't have to cut it like a long ways because it's gonna be this wide. But okay, let's see if I can do this. I've never done this before. It has been a little while later. I've done a little bit of work just that like you couldn't really see, but I will show you that I have put together part of the caddies. I got some new ones from Dollar Tree. I got these really pretty turquoise ones, pink, and then this blue color. I'm now cutting out the little labels for them. I might put them on there, I don't know. And then these smiley faces are actually gonna go on the outside of all of these things, so I can tell them whenever they're done with something, they can come and grab something from the pink smiley faces. Last year, one of the things was just that like it was hard for them to know like what they can do when they're done. So I feel like by having a visual of anything with a pink smiley face is what you can do whenever you're done with your work. It'll just help with consistency and routine, so they'll know. And we also put all the name tags on the desks and in their cubbies, which is great. And I've just like tidied up a lot. So like this is all clean now. I have my menus, whiteboards, lost and found / like my things. I need to like reorganize those. I need to plug in the sharpener, put some more books out. This isn't gonna stay exactly like this. And then over here is more organized, minus like that stuff up there. So it has come a long way. Okay, I think that's cute. You're not really gonna be able to see the polka dots that much. Okay, actually, I'm just gonna actually take out the polka dots because you can't see them. So we're just gonna do a pink smiley. I do wanna leave here today and have everything done for open house so I can just come in the morning, be relaxed, and work on like first day of school stuff. That would be amazing. So that's the goal when I leave here. I wanna leave in like 30 minutes too. So really once I do this, I'm gonna go ahead and grind and get like their caddies done, which the caddies aren't even like that big of a deal. I just need to put like their dice in there and stuff like that. I need to clean up some of the stuff in the back, put some stuff in the workroom, and then clean off my desk area. And then for open house, I like to decorate just a little bit. So I have like a cute little like one blow up balloon, and then my rug is in my car, which I'm gonna bring that in like once I go get my car and bring it up here. So that's just gonna be like a little bit quicker. And that's really it. I think I'll be good after that for open house and just go ahead and have everything passed out. I do need to also make their little let's get poppin' and make this your awesome little tag that goes with their fidget bracelet or like pop-it bracelet that I'll give them as their little open house gift. So I need to do that too. And then I'll have everything done for open house. And it feels really good because last year I waited until the last possible minute. Okay, my hair and everything is ready for meet the teacher. I have like my jewelry and stuff on. I'm gonna change before because we have like a work day all day today. So I was like, I'm just gonna wear something comfy until it's time. I am trying to figure out if I want to like bring little elastics to like pin my hair back. I don't think it hurts to bring some. I have most things out on their desks. You can kind of see it's all coming together. I just need to put my rug down, and then I need to add in the letter that the parents write to their student for the first day of school, because I have them typically do that at like a little station back there. But I think this year I might just put it on their desk and have them like take it home with them if they want, or like put it in their folder. I fear I did not do the folders exactly how like I typically do. Like typically on one side I have like all the forms that need to come back to me. And I mean, I pretty much do have that, except for like a couple things. I pretty much have all school forms on one side and then all of like my forms on the other side, which is fine. I don't know how I feel about it. I have until 5:30 to change my mind, but I need to work on my presentation because I'm going to change it a little bit. I need to do the letters and I feel like those, and I need to put my rug down. So we're going to go and put my rug down, and maybe that'll make this look a little bit more complete. The rug is out. I'm currently working on the little letter to the student little thing. I usually have cute pastel envelopes for the letter writing, but they did not come in on time. So I like made these little like tags to put on top. So that way their name is like cute and it looks like a composition book. So I'm going ahead and doing that. And then I'll just need to like fold up the little letter writing thing and then put this in everybody's folder. And then I think I'll be done with the folders, but I still feel like I'm forgetting something. So I need to look back at last year's pictures and stuff and see if I'm forgetting anything. And then I think I've decided, because it's raining right now, I'm not gonna bring my rocking chair in. I'm just gonna either maybe bring it in tomorrow, or if it stops raining, then I'll bring it in, but we shall see. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start planning the first day. I wanna like kind of redo like my rules and procedures slides, so that's on the agenda for after I get all this open house stuff done. Okay, I still need to do a couple of the letter things because I was short 3 of them, so I need to do that. I should make copies of this, so that'll be easy. I need to get some new batteries for my little mini vacuum cleaner. I use this for like so many random things, you'd be surprised. But I need to put some more batteries in that. And then I need to honestly just clean out my desk over here, but I'm gonna save that for tomorrow because I don't want to like make my room any messier than it already. I mean, it's not messy, but I don't want to make it messy before all the parents come. So I'm just gonna keep like this. I think I'm gonna go ahead and plan out my first day of school. And I need to like put this up in my back to school little container because I'll choose these again for next year, and my extra little red confetti and my sequins, which I had somewhere, and now I don't know where I put them. So they'll show up when I least want them to. I have my board up there. I love putting my class picture up there for when I was in 1st grade. That's always a huge hit. And everything is all laid out. I had their desks already. Everything is cleaned up. I'm gonna go ahead and write our first list of spelling words on my little spelling sheet over here. It has been a little while later. My bestie Taylor brought me some lunch, which was so nice. And then I have just been working on my open house slides because y'all, I'm like, I do not know why I'm freaking out. I don't know. I think it's because I've never had to do it this way before. Like, you have to actually present something, and I just think that scares me because I am just like super awkward. So I'm nervous, but I'm so excited. It's 2 o'clock right now. I am gonna try and leave around 3:30 to go get the 1 balloon and come back and get dressed and changed and everything. So yeah, I want it to be perfect, you know? So anyways, I'm gonna do that. I think right now I'm gonna work on my first day of school slides. I think I was gonna do that earlier and then I just got distracted, so I haven't yet. I did kind of start getting my bookshelf over here and getting my filing cabinets cleaned out a little while ago before lunch. So that's good. I feel good about that. But yeah, it's gonna be great. I found a 1 balloon and it looks perfect. I put it up here. I have everything ready for Meet the Teacher. I got this little plant from Harris Teeter. It's Crayola. Look how cute that is. And then I have the little pigeon. I know it doesn't go with that book, but it doesn't really matter. And then I'll just need to add my rocking chair. Here's my little slide. My lights over here. I'm just gonna go ahead and change. That way I can get ready and I can kind of relax and not have that hanging over my head. I'm all ready, and just for fun, I'm gonna go ahead and do this little yay to put somewhere else in the classroom. I am getting so excited. I feel like my nerves are calming down. I feel like I'm ready. So I'm so excited to meet my little ones. It's good nervous. It's just, I've never had to do a presentation before, so that's the nervous part, but I'm so excited to meet them. Okay, excuse the crazy lighting, but I just had to come on here and say this. I like left right after my Meet the Teacher. I'm gonna give you all a full rundown on it tomorrow, but I am so excited. My kiddos are so sweet, so cute. Their families seem amazing. Like, I already feel so blessed to have this class. I just can't wait. It has made me 10 times more excited. All the nerves are gone. I just know it's going to be such an amazing year. I will like tell you all more about it tomorrow, but I'm exhausted in a good way. And I'm going to go shower, get to bed, and we get to sleep in tomorrow a little bit, and then I'll be back at school. So I will see you in the morning.